Asem Kesee Jumedi no ebro MPP 100 year on the ama ayesenche shia empemfo ko shia ohono MPP for so 100 year on the airby ye behwe na yeti mu asem ya hwese ne omo ya adwo ba text message mbra on 1760
Gatu so akofa girl Kumasi.
Okay.
Yeah, be what Jamila was me tia Gatuso man.
All right. Jamila Gatuso chao anopay Gatuso.
Jamila Gatuso so Jamila so tia Gatuso. Jamila
Gatuso. Jamila so chao anopay.
Gatuso. Jamila Gatuso so tia.
Enya sanity.
There be one side.
Gatuso.
There no was so tia no.
Ti Gatuso.
Na dey dem. Na dey dem. Baby.
All right. Ego tiemra. Ya ba beto enkomo so.
Denying the MPP's assessment of the state of the economy and even threatening a counter lecture, the NDC proceeded to organize a national economic forum in Senchi. With the economy rapidly running out of international reserves, a rising inflation, government unable to meet statutory payments and thus piling up arrears, mounting arrears to contractors, and also arrears in public sector wages and salaries, a rapidly depreciating currency, which is happening on a daily basis, an ongoing power crisis, a continuing upward adjustment of petroleum prices attributable primarily to the daily fall of the cedi, a general increase in the cost of living and the cost of doing business. How is the Senchi consensus going to deal with these problems? It is clear that the Senchi Economic Forum did not restore confidence in the economy and economic management in general. May we use this occasion to inform fellow Ghanaians that we are in possession of evidence that shows that the government, with the complicity of the Bank of Ghana, has in fact illegally utilized the Petroleum Stabilization Fund. The first withdrawal of $177 million was made in May 2014 in violation of the Petroleum Revenue Management Act, Act 815. We hereby strongly urge Parliament to investigate this issue, and we ask the government and the Bank of Ghana to come clean on this matter. The government has to admit that the economy is in crisis so that it can carry the country along and get public support for the tough remedial measures it may have to take. There must be policy credibility to assure markets and investors that Ghana is a safe bet. Government should restore fiscal discipline by ensuring that we cut our coats according to our size. Measures such as A, ensuring value for money in the award of government contracts, especially by conducting scrupulous due diligence before the award of contracts, as well as allowing Parliament space and resources to better delve into government contracts before approval is given. Dealing effectively with corruption in the management of public finances, especially by bringing to a halt the unbridled resort to restricted tendering and sole sourcing. And E, undertaking a proper biometric-based payroll audit to eliminate ghost workers, as well as implement biometric-based payment system for all public sector workers to deal with fraud in government payroll.
We have spoken about the brazen thievery and corruption plaguing our system. Just own up to it and stop the pretenses. People are stealing from the coffers of this country. We shouldn't pretend that nothing is happening. My brother, we need to be blunt. I have seen that you're nodding and sometimes shaking your head. We need to be blunt. These things must stop.
And we also said that government has actually gone against the law that was set by Parliament itself. That's why it's illegal. That's not the first time that this government has done that. The DAC, National Health Insurance Fund, and GET Fund, the finance minister has constantly broken the law that set them up. This is just part of the illegality that this government has engaged itself. It is true that we are urging Parliament to do that. From tomorrow, when Parliament resumes, we are going to give an indication that we will be bringing these matters to Parliament for Parliament to take a decision on it.
Perhaps the new patriotic party almost how almost who sent a consensus and Sikasamon to tear a year of my Ghana mu wakasa and the one Rashibi Jambra on equi one of a trim Rashibi paying for Junior Senior Mabiswa one who say answer and fata ecoso a year of my Ghana. Text message line here 17601760 backing camera banana quickly.
Kwakulaki was say God bless our homeland Ghana. Jordan are you no sex. Kwakulaki the no. Today Black Tuesday. Demonstration. Good morning. God bless you, Mahine, for your good work. Vincent Yeboah and walk ye. What is the update on Fosu Saga? Meaning for Asem Crown. Now, Dominic, producer, civil for Yankajam, so dance some professional. Why is you Vodafone Biana Jai? You see. 2 p.m. was at my good morning to you and Omahine. So, is our MP Mampo still contesting for the flag bearership of MPP? In fact, people of Mampo are suffering, so he should come and share the money for people of Mampo. It is to make a do. Never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. Your day will come. Good morning. Of Friday, I'll say, I adore you this morning. Keep on doing the good work. Yeah, that's it. And they will adore you. Good morning, Nana and Omahine. More fire. I'll send you 10 Ghana City credit. Boku wa wase. Boku ya to ya that's it. Why? Kitu be extra. You look so nice this morning. Slide. Mahama. A Sutifi side district. Yes, you should have tried to Vodafone for home and I pay your talk.
All right.
I wish my sweet sister Jennifer Poku Nyame Nyantechiwa of Abubu Santi Akem happy birthday. May she live long. Kofi policeman between no.
All right.
Frank, if I am so bread, not Yankai. Or say, Charlie and I, good morning to you and Omahine Shelly, Sherry, Aite, on this you for Fisheries Ministry, President Mahama. Are you a co-equal Francis and Edifice Omenia? And a buyer. Way Eddie Juliana or Duncow. Was good morning to Sis. You look so sweet this morning. You are truly an African woman, you. May I say. Osana, please, I have heard of that police forms. Police forms are about anymore. As I will press maybe submit to me and
I'm come much. I'm call me enough. Meaning, baby, I could.
Obomurodu, Frank Kesee Kanchiramu, say, Obomurodu, yes,
Kaswa Obomurodu.
Kaswa Obom, and Tiamata in the trotro for a call, and Frank Friday for trotro. Trotro for a call, or Matu to moi. Nisika Crownso, Timpany for Corona Quan, Sandy as a winnie basso. Yes, what the idea, I say, easy the Urano, Nebaco to be a wedding in Fame, you may be all your practice. Or did I have a caffrey, sad, well, yeah, will do no rough.
1760, well done, Black Stars, but I am worried about the unnecessary infringements our boys committed. NDC all the way. Greetings to Mr. Robert, incoming NDC constituency chairman and Kranza South by Kesee. And this one says Rawlings only exposed himself on June 4 that after all the 19 years in power, he still knows nothing about the dynamics of Ghana's economy. Alhaji Kums, LYND, Marcus Santa Maria, good work to, kudos to Black Stars. Long live President Mahama. Greetings to MC MK Abosu. And from Slim Biggie, Bechem, good morning. I hope you will consider the suggestion I always make on your program. That's very correct. Relating to the headlines in terms of the papers, correct. Thank you. It's still under consideration. And this one also says that, please tell me the name of Minister of Health, Richardson Wasa Ekropon Anadi Way Abba. I wish my lovely wife happy birthday. May she live to fulfill the promise and blessings ahead of her. Gloria, I love you so much. From Stephen D. to Gloria Juaso. Gloria Juaso. New local government minister. No, former Central Minister.
Yeah, all right. Please send my greetings to Gladys Mensah of Road Glass Salon in Cape Coast and to all fire officers in Asem for Soup. Keep the morale high for tomorrow's launching ceremony. Triangular games. We will be near the buy. Dr. Edu says should give the money to Omahine and Anaya because you are #1 supporters of Black Stars who patrol the buy. Don't type me no a patrol. We have 25,000. Patrol. What's your family? Good morning to you. Kofi, don't forget to greet Omahine for me. Say a very good morning to my mom, Emma Sakina, Ami. Jacqueline of Ghana Immigration, Kaswa of the security personnel, yeah, more be quiet.
All right.
Also, we the people of Central Region, especially Cape Coast, have not been receiving Asempa. And once I'm the Hawaii, we show air sham once I'm wise, I will have a sneeze. Also, good morning to you and greet Omahine and say congratulations to Mr. and Mrs. Obobi, both police officers who got married over the weekend. On the Diabano, or say 2 p.m. as a Tibampo, or the Makai Dana. Well, say, Makai, 2 p.m. then Makai. And good morning, away free a day, Hena, Kenya say #1, a half, and what about. And please tell Togbe Afrede to turn to a Sogli power plant because Agbelum is killing us. Things missing up here. Minima Belum, Jankwana, Atiase. Was it, oh la la, that's Black Stars. I'm very happy. From a year, Gacho, says she, but quite. Greetings to Honorable Sumaila. And a paint young committee came Brahma, Itiana Papa, coming a Santa Regina Mine, and then another two sign hotel. Good morning, Osana and Omahine. You guys are doing a great job. God bless you. And with grace. I'm addicted to multi TV, and so my grace was Zuma. Good morning, please. I want to know whether the embargo have been lifted. We students of hygiene are still in the house of 3 years. No posting, no allowance. Way free and commander. Now, school no quite. School of hygiene, good morning. You are doing a great job. God bless you. One for the uncle with your shuffle at the buy. Say we are looking beautiful in the outfit. Yeah, that's Papa. Makari ni Asem that I catch a toss. All right. Elias Watamale. Also greetings to my mom and my siblings and my wife and kids. Say hi to Omahine for a wonderful work. Elias, yeah, Watamale. 2 p.m. at Santimanpo Makari that. Or say, oh yeah, you are really a good pair. Continue your work. We every shilla. All right. And what they buy me back. Lawyer say, Nanaya, good morning. I'm all set for the demonstration. And I will Kwame Adinkra of AJFM. Also, greetings to Kwame Adinkra of AJFM.
Okay, so that's it. Adam, AJ Ayaka, so the advocacy on some ebre. Potax striking that's all. The because was sentiments relating to Yaya Den demonstration is no update on bedroom and the Kesee saying. You try one about Adam Sajay Crado or the advocacy ebro.